Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by cutting power and isolating the unit. Safety first. Turn the compressor off and unplug it from the outlet, then open the drain valve to bleed the tank and pull the hose trigger to release remaining pressure until the gauge reads 0. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection because trapped air can still escape and fling debris. Once done, move the hose to a clean, well-lit work area so you can access the coupling and fittings without hurry. You now focus on the coupling. Hold the hose near the end with one hand and grasp the compressor side coupler sleeve with the other. Pull the sleeve back evenly while maintaining steady tension on the hose. If it's a push-to-connect style, press the collar or quick-release button while pulling the hose out. This relieves the internal retaining mechanism. If the connector is stuck, make sure to apply a small amount of penetrating oil, wait a minute, and tap the sleeve gently with a plastic. You finish by inspecting both the hose end and the coupler for damaged O-rings, nicks, or debris. Replace any worn seals to prevent leaks and thread damage. Make sure to cap or tape exposed threads, then coil the hose without kinks and secure it for storage. If the hose still won't separate, double-check the tank pressure. Repeat the bleed sequence, then reapply penetrating oil and warm the metal briefly. Seizing is usually solved by rebleeding, lubrication, and gentle heat, not brute force.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.